Hey guys, so this is the SR5 model. This is not the TRD series. And I did get the SR5 for a specific reason. I did need the third row seats. So I laid all the seats down flat, and as you can see, it's a little bit different when the two row seats lay down. This is the third row right here, and there is a gap between the second row and the third row. Now I can slide the second row back to close that gap, but I'm thinking this may be more comfortable when I lay the mattress in. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to experiment with that. But those second row does slide forward and back and backwards. And as you can see, also, maybe not, but it doesn't lay completely flat. There's actually a little bit of an incline to the second row, which might actually be good for the mattress. But it's a little different than this, just a two row with a 5-passenger where everything just folds flat across. So let's lay the mattress out, blow it up, and we'll see how it looks. All right, I took the mattress out of the box and I have it right here. And these are some of the other items that came in the box. They did give you a patch kit located right here. And this one I'm hoping I don't have to use, but it's there just in case. We have a mystery bag. I haven't looked inside, but I'm not sure what's in there. A carry pouch, so when everything is deflated, I guess you put it all in this bag here and we can stow that away. And then we have two other boxes. This is a mattress towel and the air pump. I'm not quite sure what a mattress towel is. I'm assuming it goes over the whole mattress, but it just seems like a small box to have a towel that large. But let's take it out of the box. We'll lay the mattress in the truck and then we'll inflate it. I do have another item that just arrived today and I'm going to do a review on it. This is I'll get a little closer here. This is the Solo Stove Campfire. They have 3 different sizes in this particular category of the Solo Stoves, and this is the largest of the 3. So we're gonna take this out and fire it up and do a review on it, but I'm definitely excited to use this one. You should be able to cook over it with up to a 14-inch skillet. So it should come in quite handy, and it's fed with small branches and twigs instead of lighting a large campfire. So I'm excited to try this one. We'll give it a little light up and we'll see how it performs. There are, I noticed, 4 places to inflate the mattress. 2 main ones. It looks like there's one here at the base where the feet go, and then on each side there's these side inflators. There's one on the side and one on the other side. I think those are not going to be inflated. I think the main part of the mattress will be enough. And then at the head up here, when you flip it back, you'll see another one, and that'll be for the head pillow. So let's inflate this up. So this is my first time using the outlet that's located in the back here. So I have the air pump plugged in here, and we're pumping the back portion up right here. Pretty loud, but it is what it is. I'm going to time it to see how long it takes. Right now we're just under a minute, and then we'll check back in to see what the total time is to blow the main part of the mattress up. So we're coming up, let's see, almost on 4 minutes. I think it's going to be just about 4 minutes. This thing is feeling, I guess, pretty comfortable, I guess, and I'll stop it in a moment. And I do now see why they said that this mattress works great for the 4Runner. The side panels right here, you can see, hopefully, they contour in right where the wheel well is, right here on either side. So let me try to see if this one looks better. You can see it contour in almost directly around the wheel well, like it was built for the 4Runner. So pretty cool so far. And I'm gonna stop it right now. It looks like just over 4 minutes to inflate the main part here. Okay, this is the mattress all inflated and installed, and I'll swing around here. You can actually see what was in that mystery bag. It was a strap that goes across, and then it has all the carabiners, I guess, to hang some gear or lantern or whatever else you need during the evening. Whether it's going to get in the way or whether it's going to be beneficial, we have yet to see, but that is included with the mattress here. Let me come around to the side. This is the head here. I would probably deflate that a little bit more and use my own pillow. And this is looking out the back. So here's a little contour which goes around the wheel well. And I did lay in it and it seemed quite comfortable, so I can't wait to try it out. If you're going to be sleeping in your vehicle, you need to crack the windows, get a little ventilation. So in order to keep the bugs out, we got these screens here. This brand is called Qualizzi, and I'm gonna put a link in the description below as well for the mattress, and you'll see where I got them. But roll your window down, these slip right over, and just tuck it down, take all the gaps out. And that's it. This is how it looks installed here. I'm sorry for the lighting, the sun's quite overhead here, but this will keep the mosquitoes out, and it's got a nice seal. Oh, let me adjust this a little bit. There we go. It's got a nice seal right here. So I'm pretty sure we'll be safe inside there and get some good ventilation. Probably going to need ones for the front. And I'm trying to figure out how to do the back as well. They don't make one for the back, but I might do a custom one. But this is a large size in case you were wondering. I'm excited to try it, guys. Seems pretty comfortable. I'm happy with it. Good purchase. We'll give it a review once we get it out into the desert and have a night on top of this guy. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll be making another video shortly on some of the installs.